welcome back to my channel. There's been a few requests for a first impression lipstick review, and funnily enough, MAC has just released a lipstick that I have just been itching on the edge of my seat to try, and it is called, it's Lush Life, that's the name of the lipstick, and it's from the Mineralize Rich range, and it's by MAC, and that's the kind of packaging that it comes in. And that is the colour. Oh my, it looks like plum pudding. It is insane, it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to contour a little bit just so that my face doesn't look completely flat today. And then I'm going to try this lipstick, which I'm so excited to try. And then later on, I'm going to go about and do my day-to-day things. I'm going to go run some errands, going to go to the gym, and then I'm going to review how the lipstick was, if it lasted. So without further ado, let's go. Great, so I'm really happy with the coverage. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go away for about 10 hours and I'm going to go run some errands, go out for a coffee with some friends, maybe go to the gym, and then we'll come back and we'll reevaluate and we'll see if I've had to reapply it and how it lasts throughout the day. Okay, we'll see you soon, bye! Hey guys, so it's been 12 hours. I'm sorry about the state of my hair. I've just been at the gym and I'm just too tired to do anything with my hair right now. Yeah, so I've worn the lipstick today. So many people have commented on it. Honestly, I am just gobsmacked with how long it has lasted. I think the only drawback is that I had to reapply it because it was starting to fade a little and it was starting to get a little bit tacky. I really like how it brings out my eyes and it makes my smile whiter. No complaints from me whatsoever. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. I hope this video has helped you all. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and comment below. See ya!
Don't you wish your girlfriend was